Believe it, they beat us, robbed us, dashed us, up, locked up, exploited, and downside. We will uprise, no compromise, this is the finest time. My mind is still inclined to form a rhythmatic rhyme, but I got enzymes in my blood that let me break it down each time. I can't digest all that bullshit that they feed me. You think hip-hop is anti-social? That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Y'all, if you fed up, repeat after me. Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. What? Get up, stand up, these are our demands. No, I'm gonna tell you about our demands. We want, 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 Brother,